Globaliptrust presents the GodView 5K MR smart glasses. These are the GodView 5K MR smart glasses. They are the lightest 5K MR smart glasses for all devices. This pair of smart glasses displays all media content right in front of your eyes onto the glasses with 5K resolution. This provides a never-before-experienced immersive interaction with your digital world. Although the glasses are small, the content projected gives you a virtual real estate of a 300 inches screen. This 300 inches virtual display comes with a 110-degree field of view. It comes with a super smooth 90 Hz refresh rate, which makes the experience even more immersive. Any content on your mobile phone can be cast wirelessly to the 300-inch virtual display in front of you. It has a maximum brightness of 2000 nits, which lets you see ultra-clear content even in bright daylight. GodView can self-tune its clarity for myopia of -80D, which means nearsighted users can see clearly and comfortably without wearing their everyday glasses or contacts. GodView utilizes the super waveguide optical solution made of lightweight resin, making it extremely light at just 55 grams. It can be paired with gaming consoles for immersive VR gaming and supports any OS. There is also Wi-Fi 6 and Alexa AI assistant support. For more information on the GodView, visit Kickstarter.com. Thank you for watching. If you liked our video, please subscribe, hit the bell icon, and stay tuned for more.